Okay, we're going to talk about how to use the peanut ball for the level 3 version of this exercise, which is the most advanced. It's also the most intense. It's not comfortable, but that's the idea. You need to stretch the body sometimes to get it to change. You may not need to do this or to do it very much, or you may find it's the most effective thing for you. You just got to try it out for yourself. So first of all, you lie down on the floor. You're going to have your knees bent, and you take the ball and you're going to put it underneath your back. It doesn't need to go too low. Don't put it too high straight away though, it's too uncomfortable. Put it around here, so just about a hand's width above belt level. And then, staying on your arms for a minute, just get used to it, just sink into it, and you might find that it's quite tender, you might find that it feels okay. But just get used to it for a minute, and then slowly let your body come down over it until you're lying flat. Now you may also find that having a pillow or cushion underneath your head makes it more comfortable, more doable. So if that's the case, then go ahead and use a cushion. And then give it about 30 seconds for those muscles to relax. What you're going to do then is roll yourself, using your arms and your legs a little bit, roll yourself down so the ball effectively goes higher up. That's it. Just a little bit at a time, and the same thing. Go a little bit at a time, maybe a couple of inches, and then let your body relax onto it again. Again, you might be groaning a little bit at this point because you'll find that there's a few tender points, but that's okay. If you get any really sharp pain or really bad pain, do not do this, but a few tender points are to be expected. Like I say, if you find it more comfortable, then just pop a pillow underneath your head. You might find that it helps you to do it for a little bit longer. You're going to do this exercise for about 5 minutes in total, but again, start with whatever you can, even if it's just a minute or so. An advanced version of this is to cross your arms and lift your pelvis very slightly. So lift your bum off the floor, and you're going to find that there's even more pressure on there. And again, you can kind of roll slightly around and just knead those tight areas in the back.
It's actually quite nice going side to side.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or go side to side. And the really advanced version of this is to stretch your arms overhead. Yeah, and this really gets into those tight muscles. So again, you can do this in various positions. You can do it while the ball is lower down, then move a little bit so it's higher, do it again. You might end up doing this 5 or 6 different times. Try stretching your legs out as well. What you're doing by doing all of this stretching out is just putting more pressure on the ball. This might not be for you immediately. You might find that you don't even need to go this far with it. Or you may find, if you're a very flexible person already, that you get the best stretch out of it. Try it, but like I say, if you get any sharp pain, or if you feel unwell, if you feel dizzy or anything, don't do it. And when you've had enough, you can take the ball out like that. But what I recommend when you go to sit up is roll onto your side. Right, don't try to suddenly sit up because you can hurt your neck. You can strain your neck or feel a bit dizzy by doing that. So roll onto your side, sit up like that, all done for one day.